Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do another sound demo from the C1, C2 air motos from Emotiva. The video that I'm going to have on display is Super 8. So if you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. And if you want more videos in the future, tap that bell notification so when new videos are dropped, you are notified. So let's get to the video. And I'm back. So with this scene, we're going to be doing the train scene where the accident is about to happen after their little dialogue with the kids. So sit back and enjoy. So there you have it, the audio clip of the Super 8 train scene. With that one, I was using no amplifier. I do have the Emotiva UPA5. I currently have the Marantz 6012 on loan. Using right now just the amplifiers out of the Marantz 6012. I will do another clip of the same scene with the amplifier engaged in this one. So let's check out that video. And I'm back. So we're going to do the same scene, but now I have engaged my Emotiva UPA5 amp with the Marantz SR6012 AV receiver. So let's get to the video. So today this will conclude our demos of the C1, C2 center channels from Emotiva, using Super 8 as a soundtrack, doing the train scene. One scene with the SR6012 Marantz AV receiver, and another scene with the UPA5 amplifier from Emotiva. Curious to see what you have to say and which one you like better. Leave comments down below. And remember, like, subscribe, and have a great day.